Let's learn how to make classic lasagna with meat sauce. In a bowl, add ricotta cheese, mozzarella, one egg, melted butter, oregano, parsley, and minced garlic. Mix the ingredients together until well combined. In a non-stick skillet, add ground beef, black pepper, red pepper, and garlic. Cook the beef for about 9 minutes until browned. Drain the beef and stir in marinara sauce. Spray a baking dish with cooking spray and spread half a cup of sauce into the dish. Arrange 3 cooked lasagna noodles on top of the sauce. Top with 1 cup meat sauce. Add 3 more noodles to the dish. Then spread all of the ricotta mixture on top. Top with another cup of the sauce and add 3 more lasagna noodles. Finish with the remaining meat sauce. Sprinkle evenly with mozzarella and Parmesan cheeses. Cover and bake for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, uncover and bake for 10 more minutes. Preheat broiler to high and broil lasagna for 1 to 2 minutes until the cheese is golden brown. Let the lasagna cool for 10 minutes. Sprinkle with remaining parsley, cut into individual pieces, and serve.